this thing is. Intake noise when it launches this thing. Welcome back to the YouTube channel. My name is Kudzai and welcome back to a brand new episode here on Cars924. As you can see, the very first car that we see here is the Lamborghini Huracan Audi 610-4 with the Liberty Walk body kit, followed up with some green accents, and that video color is so different. Let's go take a closer look. This is sick. This is so different from any other normal road going Huracan because the modifications of this car are absolutely insane. So, I mean, the parts that are made out of it. This is and you really don't get to see this every single day. Never to go Huracan. Come and take a look. It's absolutely insane. Even the exhaust system is obviously very pronounced. It's excruciatingly loud. Obviously, he's not revving it up. Because people crazy, man. What you just see with that? That is insane, man. Wow. Name any better looking car than that. I mean, like, it's really hard to come up with anything better. That's absolutely insane. The crowd fees and stealing the whole crowd. welcome. This is the place where everything is cars. Subscribe to the channel and turn on your post notifications to be alerted when a new episode is dropped. Also, don't forget to follow our social media platforms. I'll leave all the links in the description box so you guys can actually check them out. And as you can clearly see, we're wearing the Chases the Race merch X collaborative team with Cars924. Let's actually go to a very special race where we're going to be going on the track for an amazing ride. Let's go. Okay guys, we're about to go on track with this race. Really, really excited. Back seat. Let's go. No, not at all, not at all, not at all. Friendly greetings, sir. 100%. Seatbelts on? 100%. Very, very new car to the automotive scene. And let me tell you something, the handling is quite crazy. This is insane, man. This is insane. So do you mind telling us a little bit about the car?
Well, the Proton number 1 is made in Malaysia. This vehicle has a 3-cylinder 1500 turbocharged motor, pulling around 1.7 tons, front wheel drive. There is obviously different specifications available. This specific one here is basically your base model.
Right.
And obviously what we're doing with these vehicles on the track here is just to get people to know that there is another car brand.
100%.
That they are available and they are as an alternative to the run-of-the-mill vehicles.
100%.
You know, Proton was in the country a couple of years ago. They've partnered up with people like Lotus. They've partnered up with Volvo on the safety side of things.
Right.
Now, what makes it nice, we all know when it comes to safety, Volvo is the best.
100%.
And if you have a look at these vehicles, just from a slight different angle, you can actually see the Volvo traits.
100%, yeah.
So safety, unfortunately, is something that maybe is not as good as it should be on a lot of motor cars. Yeah, they've made a point of it.
100%. And safety should never be compromised, especially on a family vehicle, which has obviously been able to, you know, house obviously like most of the passengers, and not only just take care of the passengers, but to also make sure that the cars are also safe to drive at the same time.
100%. You know, and these days people don't really have that much disposable income anymore.
100%.
Which means that the guys are going and saying, well, you know what, I don't have R1 million to spend on a vehicle. Maybe I can spend half that. That is where a vehicle like this actually comes in and they pick up the place. Because they are offering people that don't want to spend R1 million on a vehicle another alternative.
I think also one of the biggest misconceptions with cars is that as soon as you take it out of the dealership, it loses its value and all sorts of things like that. But I don't think these sort of cars will take a lot of depreciation due to the fact that there's obviously not too many of them on the market. So I think they will be able to kind of like sustain their value at the same time as well.
Look, I think initially, yes, they will hold a bit of their value. Most motor cars, irrespective of what you buy, they will have a problem when you drive it on the showroom floor. But with guys like these, their main focus right now is to actually get themselves just a little part of the market. And in order to do that, they've got to make sure, let's keep the value of the vehicles, let's make sure that we can actually give the backup that we need to give to customers. And if they maintain that, I think the customer's going to walk over this one.
100%. I totally agree. And let me just thank you so much for the amazing ride. Our first time on the Kailami Grand Prix circuit. And yeah, you did an excellent job. I think you weren't too amateur yourself.
Thank you very much. As long as you guys had fun.
100%.
And make sure you go and drive every single car that gives you a free ride.
Exactly.
That's what you're here for.
And the goodie bags. Let's not forget that.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
So officially, welcome to the SA Festival of Motoring. How rude of me. This place is actually absolutely sick. So we made our way all the way from the front of Kailami where we just spotted the twin turbo Lamborghini Huracan with the white body kit. That car was absolutely insane. And we traveled all the way here at the bottom to the drifting section where we're going to actually check out these V8 sedan cars. I don't know the specific name, but you can hear them. They are making quite a racket. So let's actually go and take a closer look what sort of skills these guys have. Let's go. Guys can hear me, but I think we're pretty much covered everything that's here. Let's go to the next section and see what sort of cars they've got going on.